Hey guys, how's it going? So today we're going to be going out and targeting some bass out of my kayak, and we're going to be doing a little bit of lake fishing, try to, get in on this early spring bike and see what we can do. Wind has finally died down a little bit today, so hopes are high. Let's go catch some fish. I think I'm going to stand up for a minute and get a look around us. Just kind of see what I can see. Oh man, you see that little pocket right there where I'm pointing my rod? I'm betting there's something up in there. Or maybe not. There we go. There we go, guys. Come here, buddy. First bass of the day. Little chunker. Look at that, guys. Alright, let's get him back in. See you, dude. Alright, guys. So I forgot to turn the camera on for a second after that last eat, when I had to set up a new bait on my line, but I'm back now. Bro, did you freaking see that eat? Dude, this is insane. There's no way he didn't see the kayak just now, but bro, that was incredible. I know it's like middle of the day. I mean, it's 1:17, but I may genuinely have to throw on a top water. Oh my gosh, look at that, dude. Oh my gosh. Bro, that's a nice bass too. That's a really nice bass. No, stay out of the weeds. Come here, buddy. Look at that, guys. Heck yeah. Well, that is some of the most aggressive feeding I have seen in a long time. Look at that. Let's get a weight on him, see what he goes. My bet's about 2 pounds. What do you guys think? Only 1 1/4, really, as fat as he is. Still not bad. Look at all the parasites, though. See him? All right, buddy. See you later, my friend. That was nice. I genuinely might tie on a topwater. Bro, that was incredible. Maybe that's the secret sauce. Work the worm across the top water. Not actually gonna do that, but I cannot believe that that worked. All right, guys, we made it out to the main lake. Because the water is so low, a lot of this grass is exposed because we're in a drought right now in my area. It's been kind of nasty recently. Haven't really gotten any rain. It's been real windy. But anyway, the lake is down pretty bad, so we're gonna have to pick our way through this grass and get out into the main body of water where we can actually do some fishing. Oh, dude, we're on. We're on. Let's freaking go. Nice bass, real nice. There we go, boys. Another one in the boat. Look at that guy. Send him back. See you, dude. All right, I'd say our plan worked. Let's see if we can get another one. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and fish my way back to the little outlet creek or outlet river, whatever you want to call it, that we put in at, and I'm actually gonna fish that all the way back up because I was having more luck there. I think part of that was that it was earlier in the day, but I think another part of it is the fish were really concentrating around points where the water was moving. I'm assuming that that river is spring fed, or at least part of a larger system, so I think that's what was causing that water movement and really making it a nice place for those bass to hang out. So I'm gonna see if I can go back there and get some of them on our way home. There it is. There we go. Oh my gosh. This guy is tiny. Even so, I'll take it. Tiny fish is better than no fish, right? Tiny little baby largemouth. See you, buddy. There we go. There we go. That's a nice fish. There we go, boys. Man, he's not as big as I would have thought for as hard as he's fighting. Oh, come here, buddy. There we go, guys. Bet he's just over a pound. Look at that guy. All right, let's get him back in the water. See you, bud. All right, guys, so I'm gonna fish for about another 10 minutes, but because there's a pretty big road nearby, it's gonna kind of drown out my voice if I try to talk or do this outro a little farther down. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you've watched this far, I genuinely appreciate all of you that watch my videos and subscribe and like. I want you all to know that. I was hoping to catch a few more fish today, but I'm still pretty happy with what we did, and I think it was a good day. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day.